In this video, I want to show you how you can create a simple functional landing page with your phone in 20 minutes or less. Now, landing page is the operating word here, and the question you have in mind, if you don't know about a landing page prior to this time, is that what the hell is a landing page? Now, what is a landing page and what are the benefits of a landing page? Now, a landing page is a page where your customers land on. People who are interested in what you want to sell, people who are interested in the content you put up that directed them to the page, they are the ones that will land on the page, definitely. So your landing page is a page whereby you get people's contact in exchange for a bribe. Now, we call that bribe a lead magnet, and that lead magnet can be a book, it can be a video, it can be just anything that is free offered to the visitors. Now, what are the benefits of a landing page? The benefits of a landing page are numerous, but the first and the only one which I'm going to mention here is that it helps you to capture the email of your visitors, or it helps you to get the contact details of your visitors. For example, you want to increase your WhatsApp views, so you offer let's say a free ebook on how to generate sales on WhatsApp, and before you can send the ebook to the people who landed on your page, you want them to connect with you on WhatsApp. Automatically they are going to save your number and you get to sell to them as time goes on. So that is all on what a landing page is. So very quickly, let us delve into the main business of today: how you can create a simple landing page on your phone in 20 minutes or less. So very quickly, let me show you what I have done before. Okay, I designed this simple landing page, and the purpose of the landing page is to direct people to my WhatsApp so I can save their contact and as well send them what I promised to send them. Now, here is the headline: how anyone can monetize their WhatsApp, sell on demand, and generate daily income without spending a dime on advertisement. Now you can check through and see how wonderful this is. Now, the landing page we are going to create is not similar to this. It's going to be a very simple landing page. We are going to have the heading like this, but in this case, where this picture stands, we are going to put a video. We are going to embed a video, and we are going to put a call to action. Now, a call to action is this: teach me how. You understand? So immediately a customer clicks on that, it will redirect them to WhatsApp. Simple as ABC. So this is taking longer than expected, so let me quickly show you how we can run through this ASAP. Okay, so now you go to this website, card.co. It's a website where you can get to create landing pages that are functional on your phones. Now, before you leave, you need to get a hang of what this is all about, and very quickly I'm going to show you. Now, simple, free, fully responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything. Now, card.co has a free version which you can use, and they have a pro version which of course you can use if you want to pay. And as you can see, the pro version is cheap, $19 per year, like relatively cheap. It's something you can pay for, and it is what it is. So you can go for their trial for 7 days to see how it looks like, and that's it. So you can check through. I have created an account with them already, so there's no need creating an account, but in your own case you will have to log in, register and create an account with them. So let me open my dashboard so you can see some of the works that I've done apart from the one I've showed you. Okay, as you can see, this is my dashboard. Now, I'm not going to bore you with going through all the different features on here, but check the 3 works that I've done. Now, this is the first one, my finance changer, and this is the one I showed you, WhatsApp sales. And this particular one, side chick, was the one I recorded yesterday for the purpose of creating a video, but unfortunately the video was not saved. So this is exactly what we are going to do right now. We are going to create this simple landing page, how to be a successful side chick without getting the attention of madam. So that's the bold headline, and this is the video we are going to embed. We are going to embed a video here. Then we are going to put a call to action, CTA. Then we are going to add this. Very, very simple. Very simple. So what is the first thing to do? What is the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to go back to our dashboard. Boom. So in our dashboard, we click on this button. Oops. Okay. Wow, this is challenging. You've reached your account limit of 3 sites. Please either change to a different plan or delete a site and try again. Okay, so if you are using a free plan, you have access to creating only 3 sites. Then after that, you can't. So what we are going to do is to delete our side chick website, and we are going to delete that in this way. Okay, so delete site. Boom. Yes, it's off the internet. Okay, so we are going to create a new one. Okay, so this is a starting point. As you can see pro at the edge of this. We are not using that because we won't be allowed to. So we are going to use one of these free templates. Whenever you don't see a pro tag, it shows that it's free to use. So let's choose one. I'm going to choose this. So exactly, we are going to make use of this. And first thing first, since this doesn't tally with what we want to create, we are going to delete all elements and have a free canvas to ourselves. So we go on to delete. Simple. Click on it. Shows up. We delete. Yes, everything. Click this. Delete. Okay, so now I've deleted all the elements on this, and we have a free canvas, so we have this to play with. So what are we going to do? We click on this plus sign, and the first thing first is to put our test there. And as you can see, this is our test. So we write something inside. How to be a successful side chick without getting the attention of madam. Okay, very simple. We are done with that. So we want to style this. It's a little bit big here. So we go here, we change the color. We need blue. We change this to blue. I don't like this blue. Change it to blue. Okay, you can just play around. Whichever one suits you, just pick. Okay, let me just go with this. You can change the font here, whichever one, or we stick to the normal font used. So reduce the size here, reduce the size. Okay, the size is not changing, so we go down. Okay, let us add weight to it. That's the boldness. Wow, this is where we change the size. So this thing is malfunctioning. You have to be very careful here. Very careful. This is where we change the size. This thing is going up and down, so I don't know. That's how it works on my phone. Okay, so we are done here. How to be a successful side chick without getting the attention of madam. I think I've messed up setting here, line spacing. Yeah. Okay, we are good to go. So the next thing is to add a video. So we have 2 options here. Okay, before that, there's no video URL, so we need to add a URL. So you can either upload. Uploading is only for pro version alone. So we can't use that feature for this free version. So, or we can embed. Embedding means you are not uploading anything, you just paste your URL and automatically the video will play from the link you copied. So I already have a link here on YouTube, so I've already embedded it, I pasted it. So automatically play this video on load. Yes, we want it to play on load. Okay, it's not selected. Loop play automatically replay this video when it ends. Yes, we want that. Show captions. Yes, more like subtitles when you speak or whatever whoever is speaking in the video. So we are done here. Okay, you can change the size here. It depends on what you want. So I'm okay. It's not going to display now, but when we are done, you are going to see what we've done. So the next thing is to put a call to action, and this is where our button comes in. Now we have a button. Now we need to stylize this button. Okay, so what do we want to on this button? We want send me the reports. So probably you've written a report on how they can successfully be a side chick without getting the attention of madam. So these are, if you want arrows to be beside your label, whichever one you choose. Okay, let me choose mobile and see. You see a mobile phone here, but we don't want any of these, so we are going to make a change. We're going to make a change. Now this is where you want to direct them to. If it's your WhatsApp, then you put your WhatsApp link word.me / +2348082479741. That's my WhatsApp line. You can get to me on that. So we can connect. So after that, we move to this, and let's use outline. Then you see how it works. Can you see? Okay, let's go back. Let's choose solid. Can you see? So whenever we choose solid, it's it brings out the color, and whenever we choose outline, it only shows the border of the button, which of course we don't want. So this is where I was referring to. Do you want to have a label on it and an icon, or you want the icon to come first before the label, or the label then the icon? So we want only the label. As you can see now, there is no icon beside it. Is exactly what we want. And what next? We want to change the color. We want to change the color. So I want to change the color to this. Fine. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, what's the next thing to do? Corner rounding. As you can see, this corner is round, so you want to make it like shape like. So I'm going to send this to the back. Very simple, very simple. A dummy can do this. You are not a dummy, you are smart, so it's easy for you to do. Okay, if you want to change the font of your label, you can change it here. I'm not changing this, but you can play around and change it. You can change the letter spacing, the weight, which is the boldness, and you can literally do anything here. Anything. So I think we are done with this. Yes, we are done with this. We click done. Then we add the last element. The last element, and that element is the container. The container. Now, this is the container here. So you want it to be a little bit bigger than this. Now, choosing this feature is going to select two columns, as you can see, but we don't want that. We only want default. So to stylize it, we click here, and we want it to be a little bit high, so we increase the height. As you can see, the height has been increased. The height has been increased. The height has been increased. For you to notice the height increment, let us add a picture. Let us add a color to the background. So color, we choose a normal color. Okay, we choose this. As you can see, can you see? So we need to increase the weight. So it looks like a perfect website. So the weight, we increase it. Can you see? Okay, I guess you can notice the changes. Okay, we need to reduce this a little bit, the height a little bit. Okay, so what next after this? I think we are done here. So the next thing is to add a text inside this place reading empty. So we click here, we add text. Now the text is going to show under. You hold it, drag or and put inside. As you can see, the text is inside our container. Then we change the color of the text to white. Click here. As you can see, it has been changed to white. So we change the text to sidechick.com. Copyright 2022. Done. Okay, this is a little bit big, so we change it to suit our purpose. We reduce the weight. Then you go down. You can change the font if you like. Whichever one. Change it to Vocron. Reduce the size. Sidechick.com 2022. I don't like this font, but this is just like a simple video that guides you on what to do. You can play around with the font, choose the one that suits what you want, and you can literally put anything on this, anything. I'm trying to, okay, done. Sidechick 2022. Now you can literally put any content here and do it to suit your purpose. So okay, there is a mistake somewhere. I want you to notice that our text here has changed to white, following the exact text we put here inside the container. So here is the mistake. Appearance title. Anything that bears title will take on the white color. So we need to change this so that it doesn't bear it. And we change the color to white. Now it has changed. Then we change this to our normal color. Back to our normal color. As you can see, it has changed, but the settings has been messed up. So let me choose heading. I think this is much more better. Then we change the color. Done. So don't mind the differences in color. This is a live video, so I don't want it to be too long. How to be a successful side chick without getting the attention of madam. Okay, let's say you've completed this landing page and you've included your link to the WhatsApp here. Your link to the WhatsApp here. In that when they click, okay, this hasn't been saved. In that when they click, it will send them to your WhatsApp. +2348082479741. Done. Then we are done here. So up next is for you to publish your website, and this is how you do it. You click this button, you click on publish. What's the title of the website? Okay, Sidechick level. What about the description? Get in 2 seconds. Okay, publish on to car.co. So if you are using a pro, you can publish it to your own custom domain. You can save it as a template. That's the benefit you get for just paying $19. Imagine. So let us choose a name. Let me just use fo.car.co. It's available, so you can choose any name. Then you click on publish. Now, disadvantage of using a free version is that it will take on this extension .card.co instead of your own personalized extension, or let me rather say instead of the .com.org extension if you paid or if you buy your own domain. Okay, let us view our website. It is live. You can check this online. It is live. It is live online. This is the video I embedded. How to be a successful side chick without getting the attention of madam. Let's play the video. So let's say this is your video and someone is watching a 2-minute video explaining some things to him or her. Then after that, the person will click here, send me the report. Okay, this thing did not save. You can make the corrections at your end if you are practicing. But we are done here, and this will be the end of the video.